I'd like to share that making sushi at home isn't difficult at all. No bamboo mats are required. Just have a look at this video, and when you finish watching this, I'm sure you want to make your own sushi. Let's get started with the rice. I'm using short grain rice today. I have also used medium grain rice before, and it is fine. Some people use brown rice too. I'm making 5 cups of rice. Yes, we eat a lot. We are a family of 5, including 3 primary school-aged boys. 5 cups will cover the next day's lunch too. Wash the rice. Rice will absorb the water straight away when you start washing it. To avoid rice absorbing dirty water, you'd better drain quickly for the first wash. Rub, wash, and rinse the rice. Repeat this 3 to 4 times. You don't need to wash it till the water becomes clear. Cloudy water is completely fine. I'm going to use a rice cooker today, but I didn't wash my rice in the rice cooker pot because that will eventually scratch into the coating on the pot. Use a bowl for washing the rice. If you want to know how to cook rice in the pot, please check my other video. Next, I'm going to make egg omelet for sushi. I have 5 eggs, salt, sugar, sake, soy sauce, dashi powder, and water. First, dissolve 1 teaspoon of dashi powder in 90 ml of water. Then add 4 teaspoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sake, and half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix them together. Crack the eggs in the jug and beat them till the egg white is broken down. Add the mixture I just made. Mix them together. Now, heat a square pan on medium heat and oil it with folded kitchen paper. Make sure you oil the pan's sides too. Drop a little bit of the egg mixture into the pan to check if the pan is hot enough. Then pour a little of the eggs mixture in. When it makes bubbles, break them with your chopsticks. Once it cooks like this, push the eggs to the back. Then pour a bit more eggs in the pan. Lift the omelet and let the egg mixture run underneath. Flip the omelet towards you. Oil the pan. Move the omelet. Oil the other side. Continue this till all the eggs mixture is cooked. I bought this square pan from Daiso in Australia. This is very useful when I cook square omelette for bento lunch too. Use chopsticks to scrape the egg from the side of the pan. It will prevent the omelet from sticking. Once all cooked, move the omelette to the chopping board. Carefully lay it down on the board and let it cool. Let's get back to the rice. You can use the sushi seasonings too, but I'm making my own. I use this vinegar called tokumotsu, which includes wheat. If you want gluten-free, you can use rice vinegar instead. 150 ml of vinegar, 50 gram of sugar, 10 gram of salt. If you have some, add 1 tablespoon of mirin too. Microwave it for 40 seconds, then mix them in the jug. Make sure the sugar and salt is dissolved. Then pour it over the rice and mix it. Try not to squash the rice. Then let it cool. My dad was a sushi chef, and he always used a sushi oke to cool it down quickly and keep sushi rice glossy. But I don't have it, so I just leave the rice in the bowl. While the rice is cooling down, we can prepare the fillings. I cut cucumbers. My family loves sashimi, raw fish, so I'm cutting tuna sashimi in strips. Sometimes I'm not able to get nice sashimi, but smoked salmon is always available at the shops. I cut the egg omelette like this. Place it on the plate, ready to go. Tin corn and tuna are a good match with Japanese mayonnaise. Just drain them and mix with mayo. I add some salt and pepper to the tuna. All the fillings are ready. Cut the nori seeds in half. We just need some soy sauce for dipping and wasabi if you like it. Ready to eat. Place the nori on your plate or palm. Put some rice on it. Not too much. And then the toppings as you like. Then wrap it. That's it. Eat it straight away as the nori is nice and crunchy. My son loves to make huge temaki-zushi. This is the fun part of temaki-zushi. You can be original and creative. I used to help my kids to make their sushi, but nowadays they can do it by themselves, which has made my life much easier. Any leftovers I use for the next day's lunch. However, don't use sashimi for lunch. Also, I don't recommend refrigerating sushi rice as that will make it too hard and it wouldn't be tasty anymore. I make this quite often because it's easy and my family love it. It is a great dish for party food too. What is your favorite filling for sushi? Please let me know in the comments. Look, anyone can do this. My 5-year-old is a sushi master. Temaki-Zushi. It's quick, easy, and delicious. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe. If you press the bell button as well, you won't miss my new videos when I upload them. Thank you. またね。